Do you remember when you first got the access to internet and you realized that you could scroll endlessly on it and find anything that you wanted to see on it? Anything from the blogs of people sharing their lifestyles, about how they live, what are the things they do, what do they enjoy, what are their hobbies. And we really loved it. The first time we saw it, especially me, I was really fascinated by it because I could just watch anything that I wanted at any time, at any place that I want. A person who has never experienced it before, who has just seen some cartoons or some serials on the television, I was extremely excited about it, extremely fascinated about it. It was 2018 when I first got the access to internet to the extent that I could scroll endlessly for hours on it. At this time, Geo boomed in India, and I got internet access on my mother's phone that was of Live Company, and that company doesn't exist anymore. Through that phone, I got to know about many people, many YouTubers like Gopali, Haley Wave, and even Technical Guruji, all the YouTubers that were really popular at that time. And I was really fascinated by them. I was like, wow,
Oh my god! Wow!
what are the lives these people live? At that time, people shared their real life scenes. I used to watch a lot of YouTubers, especially the female YouTubers that I really enjoyed to watch. As I mentioned, Haley Wade, Saheli, and Gopali, the Brown Daughter, and I really, really loved them. I really loved them. And I wanted to be them. I wanted their lifestyle. As a girl who lived in a tier 3 city all her life, entering her teenage, really loved all that. She wanted to be them. I saw their videos as most of them shared their makeup routines, skincare routines. They went outside, went to the mall, they went to markets and did fashion challenges, Pinterest challenges, shared hauls of what they bought. They bought clothes and items from websites that I never heard of, and then they showed it to us how it works and everything. I really enjoyed all that. And I was like, wow, one day I'll also grow up to become a content creator. I'll be a YouTuber like them. Content creator was not even the word, it was just YouTuber, and I loved them so much. And I just wanted to be like them. I just wanted to be a YouTuber who shared her lifestyle, who went to markets and shot videos and shared hauls, bought stuff, and shared her outfits to the audience. But there were a lot of challenges at that time for me to start creating content. I was just a teenage girl who belonged to a middle class family, lived in a tier 3 city where people were still not very much comfortable with such type of things. Even to this day, there are not many YouTubers or content creators in my city. That is why I dropped that idea. That was the and until this day, I think if I had the physical and financial resources to make that channel at that time, what I would have done. Where would I have been? Maybe I would have actually become successful. At least I would have gave it a try. Well, I did give it a try. I started a YouTube channel back in 2018. Yeah, and I started to upload my dance videos. But as I uploaded my dance videos, and even though people liked them, there were a lot of problems with that as well for my household. Because I was just a student, I was asked by my parents to focus more on studying because at that time, YouTube as a career was not a thing. So they wanted me to just focus on my studies instead of posting dance videos online. It was not something that the girls of the household should go around doing. I started uploading videos. I uploaded a few, and then slowly my motivation declined because I did not. I always saw those YouTubers that had good camera setups, they had mic setups, they had tripods to shoot their videos. I wanted to shoot dance videos like Teen Nach and a lot of others like that. I also wanted to learn different type of dance styles so that I could showcase those, but I did not have those resources at that time. So I lost my motivation and I stopped that channel. So after 2019, the COVID hit and everyone was locked in their rooms. And as a student who was in their ninth grade and were locked in their home, I wanted to start again. Wanted to do it. But this time, as a person who was really curious, I stumbled upon a lot of content that shared about earning online and freelancing and stuff like that. So I wanted to do freelancing. But I was again hit by a lot of barriers that stopped me from starting it. At that time as well, I wanted to continue my YouTube channel, but I was stopped by the barrier of not having the space. You can call all these excuses, but when there are so many layers of barriers on in the way of your dreams, everyone will be like, you have to try, you have to overcome these barriers, you have to do stuff like you have to find the place, you have to do this and that. But I really do not have the physical and financial resources to be able to overcome those barriers at that point of time. So I eventually gave up on that dream because life came into the way. And I was now 14 years old and I was in 10th grade and I had to study for my 10th board exams. After so much hard work and getting 91% in my 10th grade, which is low, I know, which is not very high, but it was high for me, for someone who has never had gained like more than 90% in her life. So it was a big achievement for me. So after the 10th grade, my life goals changed. So it actually took me years to start and fulfill my dream that I saw at the age of 20 years old. So here I finally am. I am starting this YouTube channel and this is my first video. I will be creating a lot of lifestyle content that I've always wanted to create, and so stay tuned. Yeah, and still to introduce myself, hi everyone. I'm Shreya Jain. I'm currently a third year student, and here I am to share all of my life with you guys, and I want to bring back that 2018-19 YouTube era where people used to actually share their vlogs, like going to markets and doing 1,000 rupee fashion outfit challenges